it's Miss Mackenzie, and I'm here to read you one of my favorite books. It's called The Crayon Box That Talked by Shane DeRolf. While walking in a toy store the day before today, I overheard a crayon box with many things to say. I don't like red, said yellow, and green said, nor do I. And no one here likes orange, but no one knows just why. We are a box of crayons that doesn't get along, said blue to all the others. Something here is wrong. Well, I bought that box of crayons and I took it home with me and laid out all the colors so the crayons could all see. They watched me as I colored with red and blue and green and black and white and orange and every color in between. They watched as green became the grass and blue became the sky. The yellow sun was shining bright on white clouds drifting by. Colors changing as they touched, becoming something new. They watched me as I colored. They watched till I was through. And when I finally finished, I began to walk away, and as I did, the crayon box had something more to say. I do like red, said yellow, and green said, so do I. And blue said, you were terrific so high up in the sky. We are a box of crayons, each one of us unique. But when we get together, the picture is complete. I hope you enjoyed one of my favorite books today and learned how important it is to work together and be kind to everyone. And I'm going to send it over to Miss Sonia for a fun snow activity. Bye, miss you.
Hi friends, it's Sonia here again. Today is a perfect day for my activity. I brought along Lily and Mason to help us. So today we are going to make our own snow king. Simple, easy. All you need is any container. I saved these from our tie-dye kit, but you can also go to the dollar store. They have ketchup and mustard bottles that you can use. Also, spray bottles are a fun way to do as well. So all you need to do, I pre-made mine, is fill up your bottle with cold water and just add as much food coloring as you want. And then you come out, you guys wanna paint, grab a bottle. Okay. Spray, go ahead, color, paint. And you can make any design. You can make your name. Can you write your name, Lily?
Yeah. Done.
There you go. Good job. You can spray it, add color. There you go. Yeah. And you can even make your own snowman. And right here. This is buttons. So easy peasy, simple, and fun. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Have a great day playing in the snow. Bye.